got?
It's a woman! It looks like... It's Helen!
Return signal! Open the gate!
Close the gates! Matt, keep a lookout!
Helen! Are you ready?
Come help me.
It is so good to see you alive. Where have you been?
Feast your eyes on this.
It's just pure dirt. How did you come by this?
I've been to dry land.
Wait, dry land is a myth.
No! No, it's not a myth. I've been there. It's our salvation. We can all start new lives on dry land, but we have to hurry. The deacon and the smokers are after me.
Smokers in the distance!
Battle stations! Max, sound the alarm! Helen, get to the tower. Hurry, go! Look out! Keep your eyes peeled! Max, get to Tower 1. Lock down the gate. Open up the armory. Hurry, go! Is that a seaplane? They have a seaplane! Max! What is it? Incoming from the south! Get down!
Reach in the wall!
Get on the water cannons! Do not let them in! Max, get to the tower! He's got a gun! Max, lock it down! Stay down! Helen, the gunner!
Topside! Hey! Where do you think you're going? No! Circle the deacon!
Hi, I'm Tiger Woods. I don't know how you missed catching one like that. But you got it. Nobody's asking you! That person has my golf ball. No, that's all right, that's all right. We might actually need these people. Bag this.
Brothers and sisters! You hear that, Deacon? They are not your brothers and sisters. That was me!
Shut him up.
never shut us up, DJ.
Shut up! Where was I? Desolate children! You poor lost souls on this big floating piece of sheet metal. The provider has spoken, and he's told me personally that someone here knows the way to dry land! That's right, my flock, dry land. Or we're gonna pave it, drive it, tax it, and tithe it, sweet Joe above. We're gonna use it, cruise it, fill it, drill it, and build an 18-hole monument to my beloved self.
I won't let you. But neither will the mariner.
Huh? The mariner. Chuck, close the gate. The mariner? You mean that half man, half fish boyfriend of yours? The one who poked out my eye?
Yeah! Is that what you're talking about?
Bring me the girl over here. Hi, Helen. Offer you a smoke? Now! You wanna play games? With me? Let's play. Watch her. What do we got up there, boys?
We got an 8-holer! And he's got dirt!
Oh, look at that. He's got dirt. You see, Helen, I need to know the way to dry land. That's right. So we're going to play a little game. It's called The First One Who Talks Lives.
Leave him alone. He doesn't know anything.
Oh, that makes you the winner.
Helen, don't tell him anything.
And that guy, he's the loser. Drop him.
Yeah,
That's it. No more games. You're going to tell me the way to dry land.
or you're next.
Jet skier approaching at high speed!
Yeah, so what? You shoot him. You got a gun? Now,
He's
Helen,
gone!
what do you mean he's gone?
He's gone under the water!
No, that's the mariner.
Yeah.
If he can go under the water, that's the mariner. Shoot him.
It's a mutant! Mutation!
Helen, where are you going? Is that so you can leave before the party's over? Where was I? Hey, Eric, where are you going? He's right here. I can see this. I've only got one eye. Let's go! Burn it! When I say take his head off, I want you to take his head off. Take his head off! We got guns, we've got water, and he's kicking our butts. That's hard to watch.
Got one eye.
Hey, Chuck, fix this thing. The girl's getting away!
Come on, freak!
Are you alright?
Ew! Helen, what are you doing with the fish boy? He's not your kind. He doesn't have a kind. Let's fillet the flounder! There we go, Chuck. Light him up. Light him up. Get him. It's jammed! Well, find me another weapon. Find me something. You're not gonna ruin my plans for Dryland, you kill next. Weirdo freak. I need a weapon.
Hey, boss! How about this?
Come on, Mariner. You and me. Man versus fish. Get out, cousin. Something on your back. Why is he still alive? I want him dead. Get up top, signal my seaplane. Have to blow this place to keep him come. I'll take care of the guppy. What's wrong with this thing?
Hey, boss! Shut up!
I need something with a little more kick. Yeah! Oh, yeah! Yeah, ask and you shall receive. Mariner, say hello to Big Bertha. Now do us a favor, will you? Stay in one spot. Oh, you're gonna use Chuck as a shield? Well, I never liked Chuck.
Mariner! Mariner!
Yeah, winner! Okay, thank you. Somebody signal my seaplane. How do you like that? All my men are dead. So's your boyfriend. See that ladder right there starting to climb. Faster! Yeah. Because I got a brand new vision. A pilgrimage for two to Dryland, that's me and you. But this thing of it, the two of us, savoring the sweet flavor of Dryland. Show me the way. What? You! No! Impossible! Go back, Ellen. You got a plane to catch. Come on, fish boy! Let us decide the fate of the new world. Fish belongs to man, or fish. No. Not going anywhere. Not with a big hole in your boat. No! No! You made me hit my seaplane! No! You made me hit my seaplane, but nevertheless, I've got your woman, I've killed your friends. Who's gonna stop me now, you? I don't think so. You don't have a leg to stand on!
No!
Yes, I, Deacon of WATERWORLD, celebrate the birth of a new nation! Dry land is my destiny!
Hey, Deacon!
Hey, what?
threat has ended, and civilization may start anew on dry land, while the mariner roams the 4 points of the compass on the endless seas of Waterworld.